Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is a plan with me in my Hobonichi Weeks for the week of the 26th until the 1st of November, and it is Halloween week. So today's spread is going to be Halloween themed, as well as very pastel, very pink, very pretty, and very kawaii. I'm going to be using these die-cut stickers that I got from Miss Caramel a long time ago, and I have been saving these stickers just to make a Halloween spread. I've known that I was going to make a candy colored cute Halloween spread from the beginning of the year when I got these stickers. So here I'm just going to start with the bottom bar, and I'm going to be using some washi that I picked out from my stash. This is from AliExpress. It comes in a box of very many different kinds of washi, and I thought that they really match the color scheme that the die-cut stickers are in. And I'm just going to be layering a few different types of washi just to make it a little bit more interesting, but still a little plain. But we will be remedying that in a little bit. So here I'm going to start with the right bottom bar, and I'm going to be switching the types of washi design that I will be using so that it has a little bit of a contrast, and it's nice to have that division between the two pages. I'm going to be putting down this die-cut sticker, but as you will see here, there's a little bit of space towards the edge of the page that is not covered by the sticker, and I decided to cover that up with even more washi. So here I'm using a gingham pink washi. It's very sweet, very cute, and an almost solid pink, skinnier washi, just to give it a little bit more depth. So here is the die-cut placed. She's super cute. She is a witch in candy colors, hugging a little cute cat. And now I'm going to be moving on to the top of the page. I'm also going to be sticking a die-cut sticker over at the corner in the middle of the page. And this is the die-cut that I have chosen. She's on a broomstick. She is a little witch. There's a cat on her back, and they are flying away. It is so adorable. And then I'm also going to be recreating the washi layering that I did for the bottom of the page to make it more cohesive. So here I'm going to go ahead and start with the middle of the left side of the page, and I'm also going to be putting down another die cut. This is the last die cut that I will be using. They are pretty giant for the page, but this is not going to be a very busy week, and in fact I'm going to be on a road trip, the first road trip that I will ever have here in Australia. And we are going somewhere pretty far, and I'm very excited about that. We're still going to be traveling within Queensland because we are still unable to travel outside of our state. So here I'm using a few more strips of washi, not very big, just to give it a little bit of deco at the top. And that is the finished page. Now I'm going to be layering a bit more deco here. I'm going to be starting with this skinny washi. Now it doesn't look like there's anything on it. It's in fact just lines that are textured. And I thought that would be very interesting to add to this little deco at the bottom. And for the fun part, I'm going to be using these dot stickers from Daiso, and I have been in love with dot stickers lately. If you watched my last video, which is my Hobonichi Weeks 2021 setup, I used this exact washi stickers or washi dots from Daiso in that video as well. I'll link that down below. So here the goal for me is to make the dots seem like it's giving sparkle to the page without it being actually sparkly. So it's more like a bokeh effect that I'm going for, so it looks a little magical for my Halloween themed spread. This is probably one of the more decorated pages that I have made so far, but I'm really loving how this looked when I finished the page. So here I'm adding some more dots. So I'm layering different colors and different sizes to make it seem random and make it seem sparkly. And now I'm moving on to the top of the page, starting with the strips of washi, which has the textured lines. So it's in green and in pink, which are the two colors that I am going for for this spread. And then I'm also recreating that on the left side of the page. And then of course I'm putting on the sparkles or the washi dots. There's so many things that you can do with washi dot stickers. I do highly recommend getting yourself a sheet or maybe a washi roll of these stickers. You can also get them from Etsy stores if you would like. So here I'm going to be putting down some dots over 3 of the days, because these are the days that I will be on a road trip with my family as well as some friends, and we're very excited to do that. I also used this arrow from the GP Sticker Studio, so this is in clear sticker, just to mark that these 3 days will be similar in terms of what I will be doing. So here I'm just writing down what I will be doing for these 3 days, and I'm also marking Halloween Day on my planner. And it's already October next week, or rather November next week, and I'm very excited because that means I'm only 1 month away from using my new Hobonichi books. If you don't know what I got and what kind of books I'll be using, my entire planner system and planner lineup, I will also link that down below. So here I'm just writing my goals, which is a staple in my planning process, and that goal is to just rest and recharge for this week for the coming November month, which is going to be very busy for me. And that's it for us today. Thank you so much for watching. I'm gonna go ahead and give you an overview of what we have done today. So this spread is my Halloween theme spread. It is very pink, very pretty, very pastel. So many things that I love. And thank you so much for those who have subscribed to my channel and continue to support me. And I'll see you in my next video.